but you are all here. We want to thank you so much. Your Excellency, this particular exercise today we have here, we could wish to be having such exercises in the future, and especially equipping our institutions. Much has been said.
Wale wengine ambao wasikii Kisii wangesikia hiyo. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Niko nasema kwamba tafadhali hawa wish wale wengine wangesikia, kwa sababu kuna walimu, kuna wanaume wamekuwa mtansuru. Tansuru ni nini Kiswahili? Mwewe ya Kiswahili, mwewe ya kukula watoto wadogo. Allow me, I'll read the statement I have, then I'll make some few remarks. But with the reservation, first, I want to call to order Waziri DC Ondabu and your chief officer, again with this lady in charge of environment safe, where Kate. You know, these people, they've been sitting here since 10, doing nothing. 9. What wamechoka? And you people, you are supposed to have done, wewe ungekuwa umefanya hii kazi jana ya fixing of these things. All we call them. People, they have wasted the whole day doing nothing. As unataka tukupe marks kweli? Waziri, najua ni kwa sababu wewe ni mzee. It's wrong. Is it not wrong? You know, I wake up earlier thinking that I'll be here by 10, naambiwa governor ngoja